Guys, in this video, I want to share with you how you can start making money from Whop through their affiliate program. Remember in my previous video, I told you how you can make money from Whop via their content reward program. And currently, I have made over $57 from just a single content while I was trying it out. And now I have been doing further research and discovered that those who make most money from Whop are those who participate in the affiliates program. Just as you can see in the top 24 hours leaderboard, AB Corporate has in over $35,806 in the last 24 hours. Now, guess where the money is coming from? It's coming from sales. And if you click on his profile, you're going to see where the money is coming from. Just as you can see, the money came from sales he made in Antonio Blanco. He made $28,670 from sales in what? Antonio Blanco Whop. Check the second in the 24 hours leaderboard, Zach, who has made $35,304 in the last 24 hours. For check where the money is coming from, discover that the money is still coming from sales from other Whop. Okay, Zach made $22,412 from sales in seven-figure flips Whop. He made $11,620 from sales in exotic fleet formula, and he made $1,271 from sales in brand legacy mentor. So from my own research, I discovered that the people who make the most money from Whop are those who focus on sales. And Whop has two affiliate programs that you can start benefiting from, and they are: number one is the Whop affiliate for creators and the Whop customer affiliate. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how the Whop affiliate for creators work and how the Whop customer affiliate work, and also how you can get started with it. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, you want to subscribe and turn on the notification, like this video, and also ask questions in the comment whenever you have any. So without further ado, let me show you how the Whop affiliate program works and how you can be a beneficiary on it. The first thing first is you have to go to your profile. Okay, when you go to your profile, you see the tab where it says affiliate. That is the one you are going to click. So when you go to your affiliate tab, you're going to see Whop for affiliates for customer and Whop affiliate for creator. Now let's start with the creator. Okay, now the creator, you're going to see the info that says as a Whop affiliate, you get 30% of the revenue we generate from each creator you onboard for all sales they drive for life. So what this means is that whosoever you bring to Whop, whosoever person you refer to join the Whop platform, you are going to get 30% of whatever revenue Whop itself generate from that person. So as that person continuously to do business with Whop, either by hosting a content reward program or by also selling their products on Whop, whatever amount Whop generate from that person, they are going to give you 30% for life as far as that person continuously to use the Whop platform. And also, if you look at the top one, you're going to see the link to your affiliate profile. You just copy the link. This is the link to your affiliate to your affiliate to promote the Whop creator affiliate program. So you can copy the link and skip it to refer other creators. So you can look out for businesses, for brands, for influencers, and invite them to Whop so that they can use Whop for businesses, and then you can also make money for yourself. Now, the most amazing affiliate program on Whop that caught my interest is the customer affiliate. So currently, I have signed up as an affiliate for Build and Release AI, and they are giving 30% rewards. I've signed up for website also, they're giving 50% reward. So the Whop customer affiliate is the affiliate program where you can promote any program on Whop, especially the ones that have a product to sell. You can sign up on the affiliate and start promoting them and start making money for yourself, and it's 100% free. So how do you go about that? You go onto the Discover tab. Okay, so when you go to the Discover tab, you're going to see you go to the Discover tab, you scroll down, go to the leaderboard. Okay, you go to the leaderboard, you scroll, you see most addicting, you see newest, you see most reviews, you see hottest affiliate offers. Click on the hottest affiliate offers, and you're going to see the hottest affiliate offers. These are the customer affiliate offers that are on Whop, and this is where you can now choose whichever program you want to go. You see, so you can see join Josh exclusive VIP access. It takes $100 per month to sign in, so you can join here to promote it as an affiliate marketer. You can see premium ready to start any more as TikTok affiliate. They are charging $49 per month. You can sign up here and start promoting this offer. You can see Hidden Society full membership is $79. You can sign up here and start promoting this offer. So it's free. So whichever of these hottest affiliate program that you see here, whichever one you want, click on that one, and when you click on it, it's going to open the sales page. Okay, you can now read to know what it is, what they're offering, and what niche it is. Then you scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down to the bottom where you are going to see become an affiliate. All right. You see, so you say earn money by bringing customers to Josh exclusive VIP access. Every time a customer purchases using your link, you earn the commission. And you can see here it's worth 30% commission. So if you like this one and you want to promote this one, and we know that this one is a hot affiliate program, just as Whop has shown us. You click on add to my affiliate dashboard and you are going to be subscribed to this affiliate offer. You can see here. So if you click on go to dashboard, we can now get our unique affiliate link to promote just exclusive VIP assets. Okay, we can also see content here which you can use to promote. You can request assets, so they can send us promotion materials that we can use to promote their Whop or their product on Whop, and we can use that to promote. Whenever we get sales for them, we get 30% of whatever payment our referral made. So this is exactly how you can make money from Whop as an affiliate, either as an affiliate for the creator program or the customer affiliate. Now, for me to wrap it up, remember when you go to see the best offers, don't just pick out any offer. To see the best offers, go to the Discover tab. On the Discover tab, go to the leaderboard. When you go to the leaderboard, scroll down for what? The hottest affiliate offers. Okay? Hottest affiliate offers. And if you want to see the Whop that has the most money made, you click on the word most money made, and you will see the Whop that has the word most money made. That means people that are in this particular Whop, they are making a lot of money in the Whop. You can see, so the most money made, we have built a profitable digital product without an audience. You see, so but for the case of the affiliate program, focus on the word hottest affiliate offers, and you see the Whop with the hottest affiliate offers. This is where you pick the affiliate program you want to promote and start promoting them. And how do you promote them? By sharing content and distributing the content and getting people who will be interested in the program to sign up and using your unique affiliate link. All right. So this is how to go. Now, if you want to learn how I am personally making money from Whop, then subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification because I'll be sharing more content and strategy of how I'm using Whop to make money. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.